I mean, it's good for the business if you divide roles.
Yeah.
But being a founder, it just comes from within.
You draw your design inspiration from, and what do some of your best days look like?
My mom is also a designer. She makes Indian clothes. So every day we would see her creating such beautiful products like bridal clothes, and that's where like both of us would draw inspiration from.
I'm wearing one right now. It's called Noor, and it has literally kept me through the entire Diwali season, festive season, wedding season. I've danced in it. I spent like 10 hours, and it's not hurt me at all. Hi, welcome back to the OG with NG series. And today I'm with the co-founders of Coral Haze, the OG in the Indian footwear space, Vidushi and Divya, the sister duo. And Manhar, who's also a co-founder, is not here, but he's also the first angel investor and co-founder along with his bright sister duo. And I'm going to dive straight into the story. You guys started embroidery on juttis for the first time in India, on printed juttis. So can you tell me where you came up with the idea and thought?
There's always this preconceived notion about juttis being uncomfortable, giving shoe bites. And we stumbled across this product and it had padding. So we thought might as well, play around with some nice uppers and make it more fun and creative. I won't lie, there were already a few players in the market, but we were probably the third ones to enter. And but we were the first ones who thought of developing our own prints and embroidering them. Plus, the kind of detailing we put into our embroideries is, I feel it's unmatched at the moment.
I totally agree with you. I'm wearing one right now. It's called Noor. And it has literally kept me through the entire Diwali season, festive season, wedding season. I've danced in it. I spent like 10 hours and it's not hurt me at all. And I believe, Vidushi, you designed the juttis. You're the designer behind it all.
Whenever I need any inputs, Divya and mom are
Creative energy flew from her.
not just from her, from our grandmother, I would say. I'm proud to say my genes, all of us have creative genes here. Vidushi is actually a qualified architect.
Oh, wow.
And I'm a psychologist.
Incredible.
And they here creating products, creating shoes.
But those are actually soft skills, like you said, psychologists, right? When you're running a business, it's about understanding people, having a customer first philosophy. You're an architect. So that's where the attention to detail comes from, which I can actually see in like every single little sequence which is there on that jutti. Where else do you draw your design inspiration from, and what do some of your best days look like?
From honestly, my mom is also a designer. She makes Indian clothes. And when we started Coral Haze, we would actually be like, we were functioning from her office. So every day we would see her creating such beautiful products like bridal clothes, and that's where like both of us would draw inspiration from, and that's where I learned all these embroidery techniques from. To be honest,
Did you ever do this in your free time? Needle.
we tried, but in Swap, it's like sometimes we would also think it's taking like, why are the carriers taking so much time to make this product? खुद ही बन जाते हैं अड्डे वाला, let's just खुद ही बैठ जाते हैं, अड्डी बनाने लग जाता है. But of course it doesn't work that way.
But entrepreneurs के साथ usually होता है ना, and especially founders, like what we were talking earlier. वो founder की instinct होती है, हम ही घुस जाते हैं इसमें, जल्दी हो जाएगा.
So somebody was asking me the other day, what exactly do you do? And I'm like, कभी मैं customer care बन जाती हूँ, कभी मैं designer बन जाती हूँ, कभी मैं operations देख लेती हूँ. So there are so many things that being a founder, you have to take care of these things. No matter how much you try, I mean, it's good for the business if you divide roles.
Yeah.
But being a founder, it just comes from within,
Right. Are you a perfectionist?
I think so.
I feel you. I am one as well. And, that's why I also end up getting into a lot of things. But now I try to take a step back and be like, it's okay. Even if it's like
Delegate.
80% okay, that's fine. How do you divide your roles between the two of you?
So I take care of the design bit, design and sourcing of material. Yeah, like merchandising, designing, hunting for new fabrics,
And you already mentioned.
Mainly I take care of the content, creating content. I take care of the styling of all the shoots. I also take care of a lot of social media. Social media is yes under me. My job is just to design the shoe here, and I tell them I'll give you the product. It's your job to sell it.
Right. And how is it like working together as sisters? Do you have a relationship beyond work?
Yeah, we do. We are a very close family, and not just Vidushi. Like my cousins also. We are like siblings. People see it as very odd, like ये cousins है ये, but it's
Like hum saath saath hai bhai. I feel like, being founders and having family driven values, having those vibes of comfort and working together, it shows in the product because the love, the attention to detail actually comes out. So what are some other values of your brand?
not just values. Can I say what my vision for the brand?
Yes, absolutely.
I want every household in India to have a pair of coral hairs. Yeah, it could be a jutti, it could be a loafer, it could be a sneaker. I think that is going to make me the happiest, and it's going to really fulfill me. I really want to let that happen. Wherever, if we go out somewhere, and whenever we spot someone wearing coral hairs, like we feel so proud.
Yeah, absolutely.
And like all of us, just like it happened recently, we'd gone to Dugri for Guruji Satsang, right? And we spotted someone wearing the same jutti. It's a remote village. Yeah, Punjab. And yeah, we spotted a coral hairs Noor jutti there. And all tears guys here with you. Oh yeah, nice. So we spotted coral hairs over there, and all three of us are looking at each other. Like, what are the chances? Yeah.
And when it happens at moments like these, I feel like it's a sign from the universe.
Yeah, it's a reassurance that you're on the right track. You're doing the right thing. Keep going.
So speaking of, recently it was just post Diwali. Someone messaged me that they were in the mandir, the Bari Mandir of Guruji, and they saw a Nati Driti's festive gift box inside. And I thought that was like a biggest blessing and sign for the universe. So even this, spotting someone over there, was synchronicity. So do you believe in spirituality, signs?
Absolutely. Yeah, wherever.
So you drive your business.
Yeah, same. Yeah, I have a special connection. My conversations keep going on in my head with Guruji.
Yeah.
I would say wherever we are, whatever we are, all His grace.
Yes, I totally agree. So with that philosophy and running the business like that, with a mission to actually make sure that every Indian household has a pair of coral hairs, and with the blessings of the universe, it will definitely reach there. But why must every Indian household have coral hairs?
Because it is not because it's my product. It is we've put so much thought, we've put so much effort into creating this product that I really want to. I want people to try it. Right? Yeah. Break the thing that juttis are not comfortable. Plus, we are not just a jutti brand anymore. We have so many more styles. We want to cater to a larger audience that cannot wear juttis. So we got a lot of flags into the picture. We got heels into the picture. Sometimes people don't want to wear flats with saris or lehengas. We got something for everybody. It's like we said, why shouldn't everybody have coral hairs?
Right.
Like lately, a lot of brides want to wear sneakers on their wedding. So they introduced embroidered sneakers also. For that purpose.
My sister's getting married soon, and I definitely suggest that.
Embroidered sneakers, I think we were the first one. Yeah.
Oh wow. So you are the OG in the embroidered sneakers space.
Yeah.
And again, that comes from your value of comfort, right? Like what you said, that you want them to be comfortable. And again, I can vouch for that as a customer testimonial. So you've spotted coral hairs in Guruji's Mangai. Have you spotted it on any celebrities?
Oh, so many of them. So polite.
And how does it feel?
Amazing. But I can't tell you, the biggest high was when, so a friend got herself an invite to Nick and Priyanka's pre-wedding. I think they were having a Thanksgiving dinner around the same dates. And she called up Manhar and she's like, Manhar, I need to give something till Nick Jonas. He's like, mules le jana. We have men mules. So that time he had recently just introduced them. So she just took the mules and she gifted them to Nick. He fell in love with the look of it, but of course we're like, Nick Jonas hai, pata nahi acha lagega, pehnega, nahi pehnega. gave up. I mean, पहन लिया, देख लिया, ठीक है. Next to it, that or the shoe. पहनते तो he said, wow, I can wear in there. Like, someone, they said us the picture also. Yeah, you wear here. You were like, okay, nice. But of course, you won't. Yeah. What was unexpected was, in the next few days, he was getting married, and we suddenly spot his picture with Priyanka Chopra on the streets of Mumbai. Of course, all the paparazzi must be following them. And he's very good, he's mules. And we all like sharing screenshots. Na Nick ne hamare joote pehn li. And no, it didn't enter. He wore them for his mehndi. He wore them for every found out. He wore them for his haldi again. And for his mehndi, his brother Joe Jonas, he borrowed his mules and wore them.
Wow.
पूरी जोनस फैमिली हमारे जूते पहन के घूम रही है.
जोनस फैमिली ना कि साथ में गाना गाती है पर साथ में कोरल हेज के जूते भी पहनती है. That was such a pretty felt like way. Okay, yeah, that's awesome. So again, that's customer testimonial right there, right? And comfort. Like, I want to reiterate that point because I've been living in them in the last 2 months and it's so comfortable. So awesome. Any dream celebrity that you have who should be in Portgaze?
Wow. Shah Rukh Khan. No, actually, no, Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Why not all of them? Alia Bhatt, Shah Rukh Khan and Virat Kohli. If you're listening, we're sending you a pair of coral haze. But I really think that they would love it. And maybe we can manifest in this moment. And when we
reached Anushka, and then a couple of times that live is others.
Awesome. So definitely, I think that's the comfort and the design that you guys have. Every household, whether it's a Pune household or whether it's a household here where I am and living, must have a pair. What's the one thing that you would like to achieve this year?
Our own IPO someday.
Okay. Like a vision, yeah.
Yep. Let's start with opening stores first.
So I can see that I can actually see that you're the dreamer, you're the visionary, and then you're the practical one who focuses on the next step. And I think that's a very powerful combination, by the way. And my sister and I are very similar.
Oh, wait till you meet Mana. He's on another level.
Practicality or vision?
Vision.
Lovely. So what would he say if Manhar was here and we'd ask him that, what is your future vision? What would Manhar say?
He'd say it correlates to another level only. Let's do 1,000 crores. Let's do this. Let's do that. I'll get this person on board. I'll get that person on board. He talks on another level. But of course, somebody has to do the groundwork first, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I think we have a tenet, which is short-term wins with a long-term eyes.
Absolutely.
And I think that having that 1,000 crore vision is what enables you to decide what to do next. It all kind of ties into that. But the next small win, focusing on the process, is extremely important. So on that note, the juttis that the Jonas brothers love, and Nick Jonas wore on his Mehndi, and I'm wearing right now, and I wore through the Diwali season. Cheers to those juttis, and cheers to the sister duo, Vidushi and Divya. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.